Orange is a citrus fruit belonging to Rutaceae family. It is also called as sweet orange. One of the oldest places to cultivate orange is Northeast Asia. India ranked third in orange production after Brazil, United States. We export orange to countries like Sri Lanka, UK, France, Belgium, and Bangladesh. One medium-sized orange contains 80 calories, 6% of carbohydrate, 12% of dietary fiber, 1 gram of protein, and vitamins like C, B2, B6, and minerals like copper, magnesium, aluminum, etc. Orange RTS is one of important beverage consumed across global. This beverage is easily digestible and highly refreshing. The ready-to-serve beverage, as per FSSAI, should contain 10% of fruit content, 10% of tea. Now we will see the process of orange RTS, how we are going to prepare. Fully matured and disease-free orange are selected for RTS. First of all, we washed it with water. After washing, we peel the orange skin. We are making RTS at home, so we will do this all process by our hand only. But in the industry, this process are done in the machine. There are a specific machine for each process, like bubble washer for washing, grading machine, settlement tank. It is after peeling, we remove all the seed from it with the help of knife. Now we put all the orange pulp in a mixer jug and we will grind it. And here our orange juice are ready. Now we will do our second process, that is preparation of sugar syrup. To prepare 2 liters of RTS juice, we need 10% of fruit juice, 12% will be sugar, and if we want to preserve it, then we will have to add 0.3% of acid. So here we add 200 ml of juice, 240 ml of sugar and 1.5 liter of water to make 2 liters of RTS juice. I will stir the mixture very well that sugar will dissolve in water properly. Now we add the fruit juice in it. If we want to preserve this juice, then we will add acid in it and then we will boil it for some minute, that is pasteurization, and then we will store sterilized bottles. But here I am not going through that process because we will use this RTS juice in our home only, so I will put it in glass and we will drink that. But I am just filling it in a bottle and I will keep this bottle in refrigerator for some time. Here it is my RTS juice. Thank you so much.